Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes Picks. Today we're going to be picking this schlag pinned by Jason Carlson's number 40 called Thorium. There's a bitting on the key, quite severe in places. As you can see, works a treat. I'm going to be picking it with one of Wes Picks needles, and we're going to attempt it picking in the hand rather than the vise. So hopefully you can see this from here. Number 5, give me a slight click. Not getting much out of anything else. We'll get another click out of number 5. That seems set. Not giving me any feedback, so I think it's more likely to be there's a few spools, but I think it's going to be a few serrations in there. Number 5's just popped back up. And we're in. Yes. Right. Let's take it over to the bench. See if we can get this thing opened up. I will change the camera angle in a minute. Right, just find a shim. Turn him back and lock him up a minute. See if we've got a key. Seems to be holding on something. Okay, we're going to be using a titanium follower. Change that camera a little bit. And we'll be using maybe the schlag. I've always found this schlag quite a tough one. He's very tight, even without a shim. Right, close enough. Okay, number one. Slightly spooled. Number two, serrated key pin. Some lovely pins. Double serration key pin. Some very nice pins in here. We'll show you a close-up of these in a sec. So we have get the light on this. So number one standard, two threaded, 3 and 4 standard, 5 and 6 threaded. So let's have a little look at the key pins. I know they're upside down, some of them. Very nice work. Let's see. Yeah, that's never a good idea. Okay, let's take this. Okay, number one is a spool. Sorry, I'm messing about a little bit. Number two, very fine. It's like a serrated top and bottom with a deep spool. Very long, well, kind of spool serration cross. Triple serration. And crikey, I've never seen so many serrations on a on a driver before. And a really long serration spool type. Very interesting. So springs just look standards. Standard. standard, 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 standard. Okay, I really do apologise for the absolute crap fumbling around there. But look at the pins on that, that is fucking incredible. Jason Carlson, you're a master pick maker and you're also a master pin and challenge lock maker. Very enjoyable. Thank you very much to Gordon Window for sending me that. Goodbye.